Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. I am at the Mira Costa College car show in Oceanside, California today, and so far all I see are a lot of police officers, but I'm sure we'll see some cool cars too. Let's go. I think they're having a raffle or something. It's too early for awards. It's about 12:45. Maybe this is a raffle. Yes, number 5998807. If you have that ticket, you just won something. We're going to go look at some cars. Let's start right off with Corvette Row. Grand Sport, C7 Grand Sport, I think, unless it's just a Stingray and they put some stripes on it. That one looks like a real Grand Sport. That's actually got original Grand Sport colors on it, which were blue, white with red stripes. I like that a lot. That is a real Grand Sport. C3 convertible. C7Z06, which might possibly be my next car after I am done with the C6Z06 that I'm driving now. And there's a C4. I used to have one of those. I had a 96 C4. Not that engine though. I had the LT4 engine, which was a special one-year engine. You can look on my channel if you want to see pictures of the... I think I have pictures of the 96 on there. Pretty sure. Bunch of Toyotas with lights up. And it's one of those cars that jumps up and down. It would have a whole bunch of hydraulics in the trunk. I don't think that's called a lowrider. I don't know what they call it. A jumping car. Lowriders just stay down low, I think, but who knows? It's an evolving culture. To me, that's a lowrider. This is a very clean. I would bet this is not restored. This is just in very well kept condition. It's a 280 SE, big Mercedes sedan. Nice. Got the badges on the grill going. This is a close-up of the supercharger that's on the C7Z06. They call it the LT4 motor. And supposedly with the automatics on the C7Z06, they had heating problems. Not if you're driving to the golf course, but on track they would overheat and shut down for safety. So that's my caution on this car. I think GM might have developed a cooling supplemental package to fix that. I'm not 100% sure on that. All set to go off-road. That's Toyota. Nice clean 32 coupe, got the flames going. Let me show you on the other side where the flames run into the door. This is this is a nice flame job. Yeah? This might be my favorite of the show, actually. I have to confess I've always had a thing for Rivieras. That's a nice Riviera. Sorry about that, I had the camera running. Maybe I'll edit that out. It wasn't much. This is a Thunderbird, probably a 56 or 7. It's a 57. Let's look at the details here.
You can do that. It might make things move along a little quicker. Yep, that's it right there. There you go. Thank you.
restored in 2002.
We have a couple of Mira Costa Automotive Technology shirts. Great for working around the shop.
Looks like it's got air conditioning. Don't know if that was original or not.
89178.
Yeah, I think that's aftermarket air conditioning. See it hanging under the dash there. And a 40 HUD. I bet that's Hudson. Yeah. Hudson. That's pretty rare. I don't see a lot of these at car shows. Obviously been restored, except for maybe the steering wheel. Let's back up. Get a good picture of this. Yeah, at least it's had paint and upholstery. Front grille.
Okay, we've got two more gift bags here from Light 'Em Up Streetwear.
As you can hear, the raffle's still going on, and I think I'm out of here.
That's a Freudian slip, wasn't
Hope
it?
you enjoy this. Be safe, have fun. If you want more from Froggy, subscribe to my channel. If you want notifications, check the bell, and be safe. Have fun. Out.